has a front door, and everyone wants control. As you probably know, there's a lot of gadgets out there to help you manage access to your front door. This one is a doorbell with a camera. It goes ding dong and lets you see who's at the front door so you can go boo-hoo and scare the bad guys away. Okay. And there's this one that claims to be a smart lock, but for it to actually be smart, you've got to buy and connect a separate doorbell and keypad, buy and connect a separate camera, and buy and connect a separate connector thingy to make it all work. That's a lot of buying and connecting, and I'm not quite sure how smart that is. Now, let me show you something. This is Gate, the world's first all-in-one camera-equipped smart lock, fully capable of protecting what's on the inside while securely managing what happens on the outside. Now, remember those individual components on that other lock? They're all right here in one beautifully seamless design called Gate. The camera, the doorbell, the keypad. It also has two-way audio, built-in Wi-Fi, and yes, it can even handle one of those things called a key, just in case you want to go old school. And the best part, with Gate, you control everything from right here, right on the Gate app. You'll start building a personal circle of trusted individuals and expanding that circle by offering access to others, like a dog walker or your weekend guests. So get yourself a Gate right here. The secure, intelligent way to control access to your home from anywhere.